What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ryan here with Home of Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the VH240A. So as you can see, the VH240A is a 23.8 inch monitor, and it is neatly packaged, you know, in a nice box, as you can see right here. I'm about to open the box and see what goodies are on the inside, you know, apart from just the monitor display. Don't have a special knife, but I mean, I'm using the simple razor knife that I have, you know, at home. Decided it would be a good idea to add a new monitor to my setup because I've been, you know, doing YouTube videos for a few months, and I decided that I needed to add a monitor to my setup, but I was uncertain of which monitor to choose, and I was on a budget, so I decided that I was gonna get this monitor. So I decided I would share the unboxing with you guys. So here we go. Kind of snug in the box. Gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna get it out. Whew. That was a struggle, guys. If you decide to do this, make sure you have somebody to help you take the box off, because it's very snug in the box with all the styrofoam that is supposed to be protecting the monitor. Let me flip it over. As you can see, I'm dropping everything everywhere because I'm doing this all by myself, but there's this HDMI cord that is in the package. Also, I think this cord is like a speaker cord that comes with it. I'm gonna put these right here, and then I'm gonna proceed to open the package. Alright, so I'm gonna put this right here. Here we have the stand, and it's pretty neatly packaged. Feels like good quality metal, plastic surrounding the metal, you know, really hard plastic. You got the power cord right here, so this is going to be plugged in and it's going to be attached to the monitor. I'm going to rest this over here. So guys, this is the monitor. As you can see, they have a sheet of paper, you know, with the instructions, as you can see, step by step, to show you how to set up the monitor, you know, put it together and everything. So I'm gonna remove this paper right here and proceed to setting it up. Guys, this is the base plate. I just removed it from the plastic, and I'm gonna be mounting the stand on this base plate that's gonna be sitting right on top of the desk. So just follow with me, guys, step by step, and we're gonna get this done. So guys, what I noticed, there is no additional screws to get this set up. It's just one screw, and it has this little thing at the bottom. All you have to do is just hold it and turn it when you put this piece on. Seems like a pretty easy setup. Doesn't take much effort. Tighten, put it down, and there we have the base and the stand. Then at the back of the monitor, there's 3 little holes at the top in which you're gonna put these 3 little forks inside of it and just snap it on, because there's no additional screws or anything, you know, to put it on there. So here we go. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to set up, as you can see right here. It's height adjustable. You can lower it or raise it if you want to. You could also turn it vertically like that. But majority of the time I'm gonna be using it, you know, in the horizontal form. Guys, this is a complete setup of the monitor. The HP VH240a. It's a pretty nice monitor, pretty decent size, and it's relatively cheap for just $109 on Amazon. I think it's a very good buy, but I'll give you guys an in-depth review about how it functions, how it fits into my setup, and what I'm able to do with it in terms of the quality. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. Click the notification button to receive all notifications for when I post videos. I'm gonna try to at least do 1 video a week, so just stay tuned, guys. So until then, peace.